How to sign up for Toobit. Hi everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. Today we are going to be learning how you can easily get started and sign up for the Toobit application and start managing your cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum. Toobit is a secure mobile and web crypto exchange to buy, sell, and trade Bitcoin, Ethereum, and many other cryptocurrencies. In order to get started, first of all, make sure to download and install the Toobit application on your device, or you may also open up the website. Once downloading the application, launch it open, and in the first homepage, you'll see the Sign Up Now button. Tap on it. On the next page, you can enter your credentials in order to get started. In the first field, type in a mobile number or email address you want to sign up with. After typing it down, go to the password box and type in your password you want to set for your account. After typing down a strong password, make sure to check on this little square box at the bottom and tap on Sign Up to claim rewards. Now on the next page, you'll need to verify your new email that you just entered. Open up your email service provider's inbox and look for a verification code in it. Once you open up the inbox, you'll see the code inside it. Copy that code and get back to the Toobit app. Paste in the code in the email verification field, and then you will be able to complete your sign up. Now you have successfully signed up for Toobit account. Now you can go ahead and deposit your funds, buy crypto like Bitcoin or Ethereum, and explore the world of digital currencies safely. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned till then.